The Nigerian Labour Congress and Trade Union Congress of Nigeria resolve as follows. 1. The Commissioner of Police, Imo State Command, CP Ahmed Bade, should not only be investigated and redeployed out of Imo State for his serious complicitious and unprofessional behavior and conduct immediately. 2. The area command of Nigerian Police Force and all other officers and men in Owerri, through whom the police commissioner supervised the brutalisation and humiliation of Comrade Ajaero and other workers, be relieved of his office and stripped of its commission. 3. Mr. Owerri Chinasa, advisor on special duty, who supervised the terror on workers and partial brutality meted to the corporate president, Comrade Joe Ajaero, be arrested immediately and prosecuted for his crime against workers and the president. 4. We demand an immediate, independent, and unbiased, thorough professional medical examination of Comrade Ajaero in light of his physical and psychological injuries inflicted upon him. 5. Other workers and journalists subjected to his inhuman treatment by the police and the Hope Uzodinma's group be treated by the states and all the properties lost be restored immediately. All outstanding industrial relations issues, as preciously agreed in the Imo State government, be implemented immediately. We further resolve that in the events the government failed to comply with any or all the conditions above stated, NLC, TUC, and their affiliates will no longer guarantee industrial peace and harmony in Nigeria, beginning Wednesday, 8th of November, 2023. We had police fictions that we disobey court order, but we want to know which court order. Our lawyer was in court last week, and the matter was adjourned till today. Let us assume there was a court order. When was it granted? And where was it granted? How was the order obtained? And on whom was it served? And when?